It is the middle of December, and joining me in the kitchen is herb growing specialist Keith of the Forest and Chef Angela, who teaches Italian traditional cooking. And this week's episode of Tasty Thursdays with Anna, Angela will be sharing her potato patties recipe, made with just a few simple ingredients: potatoes, egg, flour, and salt, and your favorite herbs and spices.
Here, I'm gonna make potato pittigette.
Potato patagette. Is that how you say it?
Yeah.
Potato
Patane pittigette.
patani.
Pittigette di patane.
You like a summer herb?
Yes,
Ooh, these are our special herbs.
Those are
that we
mixed
make.
herb.
Mixed
We just blend
herb.
everything so we don't know what's
Yeah,
going on.
there's like so
kinda
many
confused.
beautiful things in there. Nice. Oh, smell them? They smell good. That's our mixed herbs. Do you know how much work went into that little jar? Okay, so mash the potatoes. Then we put some spice in here, some seasoning. Really? Really?
Like that,
Look at that, Keith.
A
Double.
I've never seen a double.
That's good luck.
Is it? Potatoes started off with that. And then we added 3 eggs, a double, a one, supposed to be 2. And then you added flour into, what kind of flour is this? What kind of flour? Buckwheat flour. I wonder how it's gonna turn out. What do you think about when you're doing this?
Oh, just family.
Isn't it amazing?
Family.
That's what I think about when I play piano. Family.
Reminds me of my childhood.
And then you make those into patties?
Yeah.
Now wait. Hey, so did you put salt in them?
A little bit.
A little bit of
season them
salt.
up.
Okay, so what are we doing now?
I'm making them into patties.
Oh, and then we get to fry them up?
Yeah.
Describe what you're saying, doing in Italian.
Sei vicini pittigette, qui patane, and l'ova e farina. Qui sensi. Dopo i frammi e mangiamo. Con un bicchiere di vino.
Absolutely. Do you score them with a fork?
Yeah, so it cooks evenly.
So we flip
I like
it. Okay, if we wanted to create a little dip for these potato balls, what could we make for a dip?
Probably sauce.
A sauce.
Red sauce.
Oh yeah. Salute. Cheers.
Buon Natale.
Buon Natale. Thank you for teaching us about some Italian traditional delights. And like you say, as you make it, you can think of family, eh? Salud.